Most people work for money. They clock in, clock out, and hope their paychecks grow. But what if money could work for you instead? What if every dollar you earn started creating more money while you slept? That's what we're going to talk about today. Comprehending money. Money transcends mere numbers. It serves as a tool, grant of freedom, weapon, and game. Through money's various roles, we can construct things, choose our lives, protect ourselves, and engage in strategic play. By acknowledging its significance as a tool, freedom, and weapon, we can acknowledge and control, transform our relationship with money. The mindset shift. The truth. Most people never achieve financial success by fearing debt and overthinking expenses. The first step is changing your mindset, believing that your money belongs to you, not the other way around. High-level strategies. You don't need millions to start. You need understanding. You can create a passive stream or passive streams through investing, small businesses, side hustles, and the key is stacking your leverage and automating growth. Start small, grow fast, compounding will do the rest. Closing. If you want the exact step-by-step plan to start from your 9-to-5 and scale your income, it's all inside the course in my next video. Start small, scale fast, and take control of your financial freedom. Enjoy the rest of the song.